Hello internet marketers and affiliate marketers. Thanks for checking out another video from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon and today I am comparing wprobot and wp-automatic. These are plugins for WordPress that can automatically generate an entire website filled with content from all kinds of different sources for you. So here's an example of one of my sites. This is using wprobot and this is what it looks like. All the content from sources like Amazon, YouTube, RSS feeds. And here's a site generated with WP Automatic plugin. It's using a different theme, but you can see the content, everything is really nice looking, 100% automatic. And the sources are very similar to wprobot with just a slight few differences, but both plugins essentially work the same way. You can use it to create a fully automatic website and for any niche, for any keywords, and then you can promote Amazon products, ClickBank, or any other affiliate programs. So I have here weight loss picks, site dedicated to just weight loss pics or pictures, and then I'll be promoting Amazon weight loss products, ClickBank weight loss products. And here's one for dog training, and same thing, Amazon products, dog training videos and articles. And you can check out my latest updates and progress for these sites using wprobot and WP Automatic. You can see how much traffic and potentially and any income I generate from these kind of websites. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can see the latest updates. Okay, so here's an example with wprobot. This is a post and this was from an RSS feed. You can see it generated the entire content from the source that I used for RSS feed, and you can potentially use any kind of RSS feed you want relating to any keywords you want. And here's one for a YouTube video, and here's one with YouTube combined with Amazon product. So you can mix and match with wprobot up to 32 sources, and you can blend them together in a unique way. So that's really awesome. And here's how wprobot looks in the WordPress dashboard. These are the options, and you can select any kind of these sources you want to combine. You can use them all. If you're making, for instance, a music website, you can grab content from iTunes. If you're making something to do with career or job searching, job related site, you can use this source. Classify sources, picture source, movie source, and RSS. You can have pretty much an unlimited number of content with RSS. You can use binning, videos, Walmart products, videos, events, Etsy, eBay, and of course Amazon, and then there's also AliExpress. So these are the sources for wprobot. And here's how to simply create a campaign which will run the source and post to your site. You can set a schedule. For instance, in this example here, every one day it's going to find a post with these keywords, one of these keywords right here, and make a post using YouTube as a source for this campaign. And then for another campaign, I'm doing RSS feed with a schedule of one post per day. And here are the sources that I found. These are the RSS feed with relating websites like puppy training website, dog training websites, and you can find all kinds of different websites for any niche and keywords. And then with these websites, the wprobot will generate content with these keywords that you select right here. So I choose only dog, puppy, puppies, dog related keywords. And then next, this is a really powerful feature that comes with wprobot. It is combining multiple sources. So here I have keywords. So this campaign in particular is only for mostly products, so like dog training collar, dog bark collar, and these other brands for training, dog training products. And the template here, I have two templates, and one I'm using Amazon with YouTube at the end of the content, and then with template number 2, it's going to use YouTube as the main source and then followed by an Amazon product. So these two are unique because this one is Amazon is the first, it shows up first in the post, and then this one YouTube shows up first. And I can also create another one where only template number 3 right here and only Amazon as a source. So this means that for this particular campaign I have 3 templates and it's going to choose one randomly. So 1 out of 3 templates randomly. It can choose template number 3 and only post about an Amazon product and no YouTube. Or if it picks number 2 template here, it's going to post a YouTube video followed by an Amazon product. So this is really cool. You can mix and match up to the 32 different sources. If you choose to select them, you can mix and match in a lot of different ways. So that makes wprobot really powerful. Okay, next let's go to WP automatic plugin. Let's show you what it looks like. So this is an example with a Reddit source, a before and after progress pic, and of course at the bottom you always include the source, and this is all done automatically. And I forgot to mention something about the Amazon product. So these are included with your affiliate link, so you make money when people click and buy from Amazon using these links as well. Everything's automatic, all the pictures and the galleries. So WP automatic plugin can do the same thing as well with Amazon products. And here's another example with YouTube video here, and again it's related to my keywords that I've chosen, weight loss. And here's one for Instagram, so I'm choosing Instagram to source here. And let's take a look at the campaigns. So I have here 4 campaigns. I got a Vimeo campaign that runs every 5 days, YouTube campaign every 3 days, Instagram and Reddit. And let's look at Reddit. This is how it looks. So campaign type, you can choose up to I think around 30 as well, and then you enter in a Reddit URL. This is the forum or the subreddit that contains the source or the content you want to grab from, and then you check some boxes that you can choose to customize. Like if you only want to choose or scrape posts that has pictures only, then you would select this right here to skip posts if they don't contain images. So for my site, I only want posts that have pictures. That's why I check this right here. And these are just more customization options. And you can also customize the template as well. And then next, another example here. So this is YouTube, and you enter in some keywords that you want to target. Check the boxes to customize any options you want. Okay, so what's the difference between wprobot and WP automatic plugin? They're both WordPress plugins. They both do the same thing to create content, set up an automatic website, has a lot of features, binning, translations. So what's the difference between the two? I think the biggest difference is when it comes to creating the campaign. I think this is a really powerful feature that I've mentioned earlier, where you can mix and match templates. And with WP automatic, there's no option for mixing and matching and combining different sources. You can only choose one campaign source per campaign, whereas wprobot you can actually choose multiple sources per campaign, and that is a really powerful feature that is missing from WP automatic. Here are the other differences in terms of pricing. wprobot at the current moment of this video is about $90 for pretty much everything, all the features, but you can only run it on 3 sites. With WP automatic, it's $30 per site, so 3 sites is $90, so pretty much the same price. But the difference is this is a yearly price, and WordPress automatic is pretty much a lifetime price with all the future updates included. However, it's only 6 months of customer support, and you can always extend it pretty much yearly for another $9. And both of these plugins have thousands of users, great reviews, so you can't go wrong with either one of them. It just depends on how you want to build your sites and what kind of content you want to use. And if you want more powerful customizations, wprobot I think is a little bit has the upper hand on this one. You can customize the templates in a more powerful and unique way by combining multiple sources. And actually, if you plan to build like a private blog network, if you want to build a bunch of websites, this may be more cost effective because it costs $120 per year to run 10 sites, versus here if you run 10 sites it's $300. So depending on how many sites you want to run. So if you're an advanced user and you plan to build multiple sites, wprobot is probably a better option. And if you're a beginner, you want to get started, then WP Automatic is a lower cost to get started with. Okay, I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments. Please leave it down below. And again, I'm doing multiple experiments, running different websites with both of these plugins. And I'll leave a link down below to show you guys my progress and updates on those sites as well. So stay tuned for more. And if you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.